Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to chat about feather art. As always, if you need additional information, there's links in the text block down below to various websites, including one that'll take you out to Amazon.com that has all 12 of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende's Secrets book series. Feather-based art seen in town today are the traditional indigenous dancers with decorated headdresses, staffs, lances, fans, bracelets, and sandals. All these feathers are a subset of an art form that reached its zenith just prior to the Spanish conquest to about a century afterwards. Prior to the conquistadors, feathers were prized and used by highly trained artists to create elegant and sumptuous pieces of high art, displaying a ruler's ties to the heavens and his supernatural prowess. Hummingbirds supplied their iridescent green feathers, while herons were the blue or gray, and an eagle supplied white and brown feathers. Toss in some parrots and macaws for the red, lime green, and yellow feathers, and that were more valued than gold, and it's no surprise that Mesoamericans took pride in their large aviaries. Feathers were measured by the handful. One codex, or indigenous text, lists 8,000 handfuls of rich turquoise, red, and green feathers. A bird the size of a parrot yields about 8 handfuls, so a tribute of 8,000 feathers would kill 1,000 birds. There were severe penalties for those who dared to wear feathers when not entitled to do so. There was no playing dress-up or creating unique fashions with feathers back then. The Spanish arrived, and soon feather-based art became prized in Europe, and the art's focus shifted from glorifying indigenous rulers to glorifying the new religion's players, the virgins, the saints, and the like. Feathers now appeared in religious art, altarpieces, and priestly vestments to amaze the new religion's recruits. However, by the 17th century, the golden age of feather-based art ended, as both the artists and the birds passed on, while time, direct sun, mold, and insects destroyed much of the existing art. By the 19th century, little remained of the art form, aside from an occasional dance costume and a kitschy frame and images of birds made with their own feathers. Go ahead, Google Mexican feather art, and these images appear to have an unending supply on eBay and Etsy. Normally, the bird's image is of its own feathers, while the legs, beaks, branches, flowers, and such are painted on. During your viewing of the next indigenous procession, realize just how powerful and fantastic feathers are.